going on, everyone? Here we are in an abandoned subway. This closed down about 6 to 8 months ago. And everybody around here is upset about it. There happens to be a CVS right across the street. There's doctor's offices all through here. The hospital is right next door. The HEB grocery store is right next door, so I couldn't see them having a lack of business. But nevertheless, they moved. Why, I do not know. Maybe the health department shut them down. Maybe the landlord tried to increase the rent. Lord knows, we've seen that before. But I thought, well, let's go take a quick look around. It's not going to be a real long video. It's going to be a shorter video. But nevertheless, abandoned's abandoned. An abandoned subway. We're here in Corpus, Christi, Texas. There's a good look inside. As you can see, they've removed all the tables, chairs, booths. It's pretty well been stripped. I like Subway. I don't mind Subway at all. They pretty much stripped everything out of here.
I thought my stuff was down here, but it's not. That's somewhere else. I don't know where.
And like I said, the grocery store happens to be right next door, and that's a pretty busy grocery store, so I can't imagine them having a lack of business through here.
We're gonna see it on there.
I happened to stumble upon this. I do not know why they closed. I don't know why they moved, unless we've seen this case before. The landlord tried to jack the rent and they just were unwilling to pay it, or the health department shut them down. I do not know. But it's clearly been stripped. Everything's been taken out. Looks like it still has power. This right here has been abandoned too. I don't have no idea what this was, unless it's part of the grocery store. Might as well take a look. Might be where the HEB stores their shopping carts. But there's the for lease sign. I really hate seeing people lose their jobs. We'll take a look at the front. You can definitely see right here where the label scar would have been for Subway. What a shame. I hate seeing people lose their jobs. The economy is getting harder and harder and harder. Money's becoming tight. And to see people lose their jobs, that's hard to see. Oh, there was a look at your Subway. Like I said, they closed down about 6 to 8 months ago. It couldn't have been a lack of business. I mean, it's a big parking lot. It's a pretty good size HEB. From what it looks like, it's pretty busy. There's a CVS. The hospital's right over there. There's a bunch of businesses right here. Everybody I know goes to Subway. I like Subway. I like the meatball sandwiches. Oh, they're delicious. I like the Philly steak cheese sandwiches. Them are good too. But nevertheless, a closed subway. I haven't really come across too many of them, but I did today. I just happened to stumble upon it. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that like button for me. As we take one more look at an abandoned subway. Something told me to look right here. I'd see something. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. Bye bye now.